in your opinion, what are some of the leading issues and I guess maybe concerns for store owners today?
I mean, I think pricing always continues to be a concern.
Mhm.
Um, I don't think it's necessarily a specific uh, price that we need to be as an industry. You've got to look at your business and your market and just know your costs. And then, I mean, if your competitor down the street is cheaper, that's fine, but you already know your costs. So you've got to establish some of your pricing based on just pure cost and work on Dave Menz talks about it a ton. Value add. I'm
Right.
not going to be the cheapest. And there's a huge number of people that don't care about the price because of my other services that I'm offering.
Mhm.
Don't undersell yourself there. And then I think uh, one of the things that we didn't do well at all was planning that we thought we had two laundries and we bought the third one. So we knew we had the three. And then we opened our first pickup and delivery facility, which is Wash Club.
Mhm.
And so we thought we had the three laundries and our pickup and delivery, and that was kind of it. And then all of a sudden we're buying five, six, seven, and we hadn't planned that with our branding. We hadn't planned that with management.
Mhm.
So it was a lot of the cart is before the horse a lot in what we've
Right.
done. And so that would be my biggest thing going back is that we invested in our business sooner
Mhm.
than we did as far as management and answering services for phones, etc.